What are you doing?
I'm putting them up.
You're putting them up?
Yeah, I'm putting them in water.
Yeah. Hold on. Come tell Daddy what you're doing. What are you doing right now?
It's with the water.
You're going to get in the pool?
Yeah.
Look up at me. Say, I'm getting in the pool.
I'm getting in the pool.
And I love the water.
I love my water.
Okay, go have fun. Is it cold?
Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Is that a car?
It's a car.
Yeah. How's the water feel?
It's colder.
Is it? Well, sit down. Sit down and play.
It hurt.
It doesn't hurt, no.
It's a bad guy, Mama.
Yeah.
It's a bad guy.
Step on that bad guy. Sit down. It feels good, honey. In all reality, it's really cold.
Yeah, really cold.
Oh, careful. Sit down. Oh, yeah. Feels good on the booty. You like that? Oh.
It's making cold.
Don't pour it out. No. We're too early into it to pour it out. You're so bad. Oh, on your legs. Sit down.
No.
Sit down and pour it into the star. Where's the star?
It's right here.
That's right. Where's the castle?
Right here.
That's right. Where's the shovel?
Right here.
Where's the strainer?
Right here.
That's right. Where's Mommy?
Right here.
Oh, where's Daddy?
Daddy.
Daddy.
I sit down.
You sit down. Oh, it's cold. What are you doing?
Let me get out.
No, let's not get out. You don't have shoes on.
I want to put it down.
Yeah. Come on. Don't go over there.